Welcome to the Weekly Roundup Report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we are at the Woodstock location, so let's go see what's happening. Hey, what are you working on today?
Today we're working on a 2009 Ford Flex. Came in for an oil leak. It's got a valve cover leaking, so we're replacing the valve cover gasket.
Perfect, thank you. Katie, what you got going on?
All right, well, we got a 98 F-150 that was slipping when shifting and wouldn't go past 40. So we got the transmission out. I've got the new one ready to go in, but I've got to do the rear main and flush the cooler before I get this back up.
Cyrus, what you working on this morning?
Miss D, I'm working on that orange BMW up there. I just finished mounting the tires, now I'm balancing.
Awesome, thank you. John, what you got going on?
We have another one of these Edge fans in here today. This one came in for an overheating concern and a check engine light. We're going to get it diagnosed and get them an estimate and get it repaired.
Awesome, thank you. Morning, Nick, what are you working on?
Oh, today I'm working on this 05 Suburban. We're going to be doing a steering gearbox. We're doing a power steering pump and the valve cover gaskets on it.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining us today with the Weekly Roundup Report at the Town Lake location. We'll see you next time.